I have noticed that most students from university, they use AI a lot, to a point that whenever they want even to write a CV, they just go to AI and say, write a CV for me. When they want to do a cover letter, they ask AI, write a cover letter for me. When they want to send out an email, they ask AI, write an email for me. This might sound professional, even if you read through it and you might be like, oh, this is very professional. Why didn't the company get back to you? Why didn't the company respond to you? These days, some companies, they can actually tell that this message was not written by human. It was written by AI. And now look at this. Put yourself again on the shoes. If you are hiring someone and they send you something that is clearly written by AI, they did not write this themselves. Do you trust that person to come in and work? Do you even trust that they know what they are doing? Or it's just AI that wrote that part? What if they don't even know the job? What if they don't know anything? But even if the message has mistakes or the message is not that good with English, but it's written by a human, like it's written by someone that you can tell that, oh, this person is trying to say this and this and this and this, the company rather employ that person that writes a professional, clear, straight message themselves, compared to using AI to write a good, professional, very good English that it looks too good to be true. So I would say that's the other thing that I think it makes mistakes.